What's up guys, my name is Idan and welcome to How Much YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make a video about UBEReats app. I'm gonna do deliveries and see how much money I'm gonna make. Also I'm gonna see how much money I'm gonna spend on gas and mileage. Now I made a video about UBEReats before in 2018 and the pay sucked. It was so bad. I got paid like $3 per delivery or something. I was really disappointed and I made a video about it and it actually got 3 million views, which is amazing. But they changed a lot since then and I want to give it another try. It's August 16th, it's a Sunday. I'm actually in Seattle area in Bellevue. I want to give it a try over here and see how it works. There's a new point system. I want to see how it works to get some free drinks and stuff from UBEReats. We're gonna test it out, but before that I'm gonna put gas in my car. This is a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's a bit of a gas guzzler, but I don't mind putting miles on it. That's what I'm using it for. So we're gonna fill it up and start from a full tank, and then at the end of the day, once I finish all the deliveries, we see how much gas came in and see how much money we spend on gas. So let's go to a gas station and fill it up. All right guys, I'm putting gas, as you can see here. We're gonna fill up full. It's almost full already, so it will be almost done. And we're gonna start our day with full gas. Before I start my shift, I'll make sure that I have some hand sanitizer, some mask, and now we can start. All right, I'm on the app right now. I hope you can see it too. So I'm gonna go ahead and go live for the first time in like 2 years. Okay, now it requires me to take a photo of myself. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Cool, so I took a photo of myself. I'll make sure I have a face mask. Oh, they want to take a picture of me with a face mask. That's actually really very good. I'm happy they're doing that. Yes, I'm wearing a face mask. I have one. I got a picture with the face masks as well. They ask me if I have any symptoms of the COVID-19. I don't, so I click that too. Yes, I disinfect my car. I like to use this spray from Trader Joe's because I can also spray things, not just my hands with it. So I use this spray, probably gonna finish it by today, but I use this spray for the handles and all that when I start my shift. That's it. I'm online. So now let's see how fast it is to start getting orders. Let's see. Seattle actually shows more busy than Bellevue, so I might go there and start there. It might be too slow here. We'll see. I haven't done any Uber deliveries in a long time, so I'm pretty excited. And I'm very surprised they didn't kick me out because I don't know. I was like saying what I thought about it. It was not good. And then I'm still live on the app, so phew. They either don't care or didn't notice maybe that I made a video about them. But yeah, let's go. I got my first order here in Bellevue. It's 6 minutes away. It's some place called Chai. And let's go over here. If it's not busy enough here, we're gonna move to Seattle, which is about 15-20 minutes away. But hopefully it's busy here. I wanna try it over in this area. Let's go do our first delivery, see how much we're gonna make right now. All right guys, I got the order from Mike. Let's go deliver it. 15 minutes away, 10 miles. It's quite far actually. I'm gonna go deliver my first delivery for today, and I already got another one on the app and I accepted it. So one after the other. Let's go. All right, I'm back. We're gonna go get another delivery right now and see how much that second one gonna make. Our pickup is 6 minutes away. I'm gonna go there right now and pick up the second order. Let's go. I arrived. Let's go pick up my second order. It was pretty quick, only like 5 minutes. All right, I got another order. Let's go get it done. Let's deliver this large order. And I got another order on my phone and I accepted it, but it was only $4. I'm starting to worry that the prices are back to how it used to be, because $4 for delivery is pretty low, but we have to see how long it takes me and the tips. So I'm not judging yet, but it doesn't look very good. But okay, let's go deliver it. I finished my second delivery. That was pretty quick. I actually accepted another one, so that's my third delivery already, and it's only 6 minutes away. But before we continue, I want to say a few things I noticed about the app. First of all, I noticed that they put you a limit of 12 hours of delivery straight with 6 hours of break, because I did a 24-hour like a challenge where I only do deliveries for 24 hours straight, which is a terrible idea. I didn't even manage to finish the whole thing, but I'm happy they did it so people don't do challenges like this, because it is very risky. You have to rest after working so much for doing deliveries or doing anything. You have to rest pretty much. I'm getting a bit hungry and my girlfriend made me a lunchbox. I want to show you what's inside. And the reason why I have a lunchbox is because I don't want to spend money as I do deliveries, because that's money out of my profit, right? So let's see what I got. I got a protein shake, which I'm going to drink right now. Also got some hummus. You see there's egg in there, olive oil. I love hummus. I can eat that all day. I got crackers to eat it with because I think pita will not survive this trip. I also got a protein bar for later and a little one of those yogurt drinks. I love those. I got this. I can save some money. It's probably not enough for me for a whole day of doing deliveries. I'm definitely gonna be more hungry than that. Hopefully the app is gonna give me some free snacks later with this point system. I really hope so because I love free things, so we're gonna test it out. Let's go continue for our third delivery. All right, I arrived to the French bakery. It looks like a really nice bakery here in Bellevue. Let's go pick up our third order, keep going. I really hope I'm getting paid good here. I don't know yet. It says $4. I really hope there's good tips. Let's go find out. All right, here is the order. It's a small order and it's really close. It's like 2 minutes away, which is a good thing. Let's go deliver the 2-minute order. Here's our third delivery. We arrived. Let's go deliver it. By the way, it's like 95 outside. It's so hot today. All right, let's go. I have to take my phone with me to take a photo of the front of the door with a bag. They require you to do that now. So let's do it. Don't forget your phone. Let's go to our fourth delivery. Let's go. Time to go for our fourth order to pick it up. All right, we got another order. Let's go deliver it. This is our fourth one. 12 minutes away is not bad. We can do it pretty quick. Let's go. There's a $3 delivery and I want to work as much as I can, so I'll take it. But goddamn, $3, that's it. All right, I just finished my fourth delivery. I noticed a few things are better. So when I go pick up the order always done. I don't have to wait. Nowadays, because we're in 2020, all I have to do is drop it off in front of their door and I'm done. I'm taking a picture and go. And that does save some time to knock on the door, wait for them or whatever it is. You just drop it off and you go. So that saves you time. Order always ready saves you time. So they improved a lot on the app. I have to say, good job guys. UBEReats for improving so much, but I don't know about the numbers, man. So let's go pick it up. It's really close though. It's 2 minutes away. Let's see how far it is to deliver, but I accept everything I get right now. You can wait for orders that pay you more and stuff, but I just take everything because I want to try to make as much as I can in 1 hour, right? Try to see the potential. But other people, I heard, they wait for the right kind of order for them. But I just take everything I get offered. So let's go. Okay, the next stop is 7 minutes away. So it is possible to maybe do 4 or 5 of those deliveries an hour. Maybe with the tips, it is worth doing those deliveries for $3. We're gonna have to find out later. I don't see any tips yet. Let's go deliver it. Time to do another delivery and take the photo. That was pretty quick. Let's go. All done. I just accepted another $3 order. All right guys, I just got the order from Cold Stone. It smells so good in there. I think it's the waffles they make. Oh my god. So yeah, someone ordered some ice cream. It's so hot today, so it makes sense. And my phone keep overheating. Is this a problem you had before too? Let me know if your phone also overheats because it sits right there on the sun, you know, showing you the GPS. So I have to put it on the AC to cool it down all the time. Let me know in the comments if you also have that issue. And leave a like if you like this video so far. That'll be wonderful. All right, time to deliver our ice cream right now to the front door. Let's go. All right, we have another delivery really close by, and that was a $7 order. And I think it's 2 orders, so I have to do 2 deliveries for one $7 payment. All right, let's give that a try. I got my first pickup. And I got one more pickup to go to complete this order. We got another delivery. Now I have both deliveries. Let's go do both of them for $7 and hopefully later we can see some tips. But so far so busy. I mean, one after the other, no break here in Bellevue, Washington. Really busy. Alright guys, I just finished the first one and I have 2 of them, so let's do the last one. Alright, just finished the delivery. I got another $3 shipping that I accepted. Let's go ship it, see what happens. Alright guys, I arrived at McDonald's. Delivery is a little bit different here, or pickup is a little different. So it says here that I have to click the bell and they'll bring it to me, so let's see how that works. Alright guys, I pick up the McDonald's order. Time to deliver it. I just did the McDonald's delivery. Took me forever to find the place. This thing has like H buildings and I buildings and G buildings. It was a lot of delay, but it's okay. It's like 10 minutes for one delivery for $3. But we have a $7 delivery now. I'm gonna go do the $7 delivery and move on to the next. All right, I got it. And I got another order pending right now. Let's take it. That's my last one. I'm so hungry. All this smell of food here is driving me nuts. So one more delivery and then I'm gonna eat my food, my hummus. Okay, let's go. All right, we're the final delivery, pickup and delivery, because I'm hungry. We're gonna take a little break and continue. I wanna see where this goes. It's 3:20 p.m. right now, and let's go ahead and do another one. All right, I got another order. Let's go ahead and deliver it. This is my last one, and after this, I'm done for a little bit. Have a little bit of break. Let's go. All right, I'm starting my break now. It's 3:37 p.m. and the numbers looks pretty good. It looks like we were online for 4 hours and 14 minutes and we made $76. And I know it takes a little bit of time for all the tips to come in, so I'm gonna review this again after quite some time to confirm that's the tips, because customers have the opportunity to leave more tip. But I can tell you right now, people leave tips much more than before. I mean, I barely got any tips last time. If we calculate 76 divided by 4 hours, it's about $19 an hour. With the gas and all that is not great, but so much better than before. Oh my god. So this is actually good news. Starting my break, let's go eat my hummus. We did 61 miles of driven so far. So kind of shows you the progress. All right guys, I'm done with my break. Looking a little bit inside the app, I noticed that there is opportunity to get snacks. There's something called Uber Pro Gold, which means after you do, looks like 30 or 40 deliveries, you get upper level where you can get better snacks. Right now I'm at the lower tier. I only done 11 deliveries so far, and therefore I'm only getting UBEReats Pro Green treats. So there's Uber Pro Green and there's Uber Pro Gold. I'm not gonna be able to test the Uber Pro Gold snacks. Hopefully it will give it to us as we do more deliveries. I hope for 1 or 2 snacks for free. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with free snacks, but I'm excited. Anyways, let's go continue our deliveries. It looks like they did a really good job. I mean, $76 so far, it's pretty good. And one of the customers gave me $10 tip, so it's a lot, you know. I just wish they paid more for per delivery. It's only $3-4 bucks every delivery. It's very, very low, but they are close, so you know. Anyways, let's go ahead to another location. I'm thinking to go to Seattle to get that $1.50 extra. It's a bit far, but I think it will be worth it. And I'm gonna try to push in a few more hours in, so let's go. It's right now 3:52 p.m. I'm probably gonna start about 4 p.m. It took a little while, but we got an order, our first order here in downtown Seattle. It's 0.4 miles away. I think it's $7 because of that extra $1.50, so everything is gonna be a little higher now. Let's go and continue this. I got an order. It took like 15-20 minutes to get an order, but I'm patient, no problem. So let's go ahead and start our shift again. It's 4:30 p.m. We got the Indian food for delivery for Uber Eats. Our first delivery. Let's go deliver it. All right, I just delivered. Time to pick up another order from Seattle. Once you start doing your first delivery, more and more deliveries come after that, because as you drive around you can accept a second one. So I like that they do it that way, so then I barely sit down, wait around, maybe for the first order, but after that it keeps going, which is awesome. So let's keep going. All right, we got another order from a Thai place. We just finished our second delivery here in Seattle. I'm already at $97. It's pretty impressive actually, just for a few hours of work, you know. And there's extra $3 bonus for deliveries in Seattle, so it's a good place. It's a good time to be right now. Now I'm waiting for more deliveries. Oh, here you go, $11 for my next delivery. Let's go deliver, pick up and deliver this order. Let's go. Wow, that's a big order. All right, so I got this order and it's 20 minutes drive from here. So the pickup was close by, maybe less than a mile or something. It was really close, so let's go deliver it. All right guys, so we are done for today. We spent 5 hours and 45 minutes. We were online. I know some of it I didn't really drive though. That's about $18-19 an hour, but I'm still waiting for tips. it does take a while to get tips. So I have to wait 24 hours and then record again, show you guys how much time I spent, how much money I spent. I'm actually at the gas station right now, and we drove 90 miles in this shift. So 90 miles, we made $108, so $109 so far, but I still have to wait for the tips. About $18 or $19 an hour. Let's wait and see what happens. So now, let me see how much gas I spent. So that still needs to be calculated. So let's go ahead and put some gas and see how much money I spent on gas. I guess we spent 20 bucks on gas. Okay, so we spent about 20 bucks worth of gas. So now let's wait for the tips and see how much we made per hour. What's up guys, welcome back. So I have some good news. I'm back home now and here's my dog is with me. And actually I'm done with the deliveries for today, but I got my free drink. I'll show you that on the screen as well, but I got my free drink and it looks like every day you can get a free drink from the UBEReats app, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna go grab it right now from McDonald's. And once you apply it, I have 8 minutes, or you have 10 minutes to get there. So you have to make sure you redeem it on time. There's no coupon or anything. You just show them this, which is kind of weird because you can definitely screenshot this and then show them. And it looks like I might be able to get more snacks in the future. So I might need to do more deliveries, get to that pro status or gold status, and see what kind of free snacks I'm gonna get. Let's go get my free drink. We're heading out to McDonald's to get our free drink. I have an UBEReats coupon for a small drink.
Are you here to pick up an Uber?
No,
no?
It's my free treat of the day.
Did you want a drink or a coffee?
The small frappe.
A small frappe?
Yeah.
So it has to be like a drip coffee.
Okay, can I get iced coffee?
An iced coffee? Yeah, sure. Any flavor or something? We have like vanilla, hazelnut, caramel.
I'll get the hazelnut. Thank you guys so much.
Okay, thanks.
I got my coffee, but I guess frappe is not part of the deal. So I got small hazelnut coffee. It works. Use it guys for your free drink. It's been 2 days and now all the tips came in and we can calculate how much money we made total, and how much we spent, and how much is it per hour driving for UBEReats. And of course I got another free coffee because hey, why not? I guess if you register and you drive a little bit for Uber, you can get free coffee like once a day. That's pretty cool. Let's start with the pros. There's no contact doing deliveries for UBEReats. I like that. The orders are ready as soon as you arrive. I never waited for an order anymore and I did 13 of them. So that's also a great plus for me because it means you don't waste time waiting for orders. I used to waste a lot of time doing that. Now we get tips in every order. Every order got a tip. And of course I get the free drink, which is a great plus, and I'm gonna be able to upgrade one day to that gold thing. I'll do more deliveries and I'll make a video about what kind of treats you get delivering for UBEReats. Now let's talk about the cons. There's a couple of cons things that I noticed, like for example the very low pay per order. It's like $4, $5, $6, $7, very low per delivery, and also there's a lot of miles to drive. I think other apps have a little bit less miles. For what I noticed, we actually drove 90 miles for 13 orders. It's quite a lot of miles to drive to do those quick deliveries. In total, we made $118.86. Now, gas was $19.99. That comes up to $98.87 after gas. If you split it to 5 hours, that's about how much time we spent. So if I divide that, that actually comes up to $19.77 an hour. That's a pretty good number, but we also drove 90 miles. 10 of the miles I drove to move around, so maybe let's count 80. But even 80 miles is about $50 of depreciation by the tax code. So you could deduct taxes like $50, $60 from a day like this. But how much does it cost you to own and run a car is really up to you. I mean, for me, it's like less than $3, $4 a day. It's really low because it's an old car, it's paid for, it doesn't have a lot of problems, and all I do is oil change. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video gave you some information if you want to drive for UBEReats or not. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so you can see my next video on how much. And also leave the link below to register with UBEReats if you want to try to drive. And if you drive for them, you get free coffee every day. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.